are unboxing the Ryobi OnePlus 18-volt 6-piece ultimate combo. Wow, is this powerful or what? And the battery's not even fully charged. Check this out. You pull up and it pops it out. So that's pretty cool. So for this tool, you just simply pull up and it take it right out. Let's go ahead and demonstrate it. So just like this. Slowly press the trigger. As you can see, it helps you keep it center. Just like that. And let's start slow. I'll do as slow as we can. Wow. Okay, we're now going to test out the flashlight. Wow. So this is the flashlight. Up next we got this bad boy. Listen to the power of this thing. It does. Let's try another setting. Wow, look at that. JobPlus, OnePlus. So you just simply stick the battery in there. It's that simple. It is very nice. Looks like over here we have, okay, so there is a safety feature for this as well. Very nice. Gonna come in handy for around the house, different projects. Here we have a nice saw. Also another safety feature. Look at this. This thing is beautiful, guys. Wow. That's gonna come in handy as well. Very nice. It even has a slot for the tool here, so you can tighten. That is really cool, guys. Really cool. You can adjust your measurements, whatever you need to. Here we have a flashlight that rotates at different angles. Let's get closer so you guys can see this. Look at that. So this is how you hold it straight. So this would be straight. Now you twist it. It could shine out that way. It could shine out that way. It could shine up, left, right, however you want. Like before, it comes with a flathead and a Phillips as well.